guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on two newly launched skincare products by Nykaa. So this one is very exciting. This one is called Spot Patch and this one is called the Clay It Cool Face Mask. So both of these products are really great for acne prone skin, lots of pimples, all that good stuff. By the way, if I am a little weird in today's video, that's because I'm filming this literally at midnight, like beyond midnight. It's 1:30 AM right now and I'm filming this because I slept in today and I'm very disappointed with myself. I was planning to take a nap because it was raining, a 15-minute nap, and that turned out into a 3 or 4 hours sleep. So yeah, I'm very disappointed. I actually hate sleeping, which is so strange because I loved sleeping as a kid, but now I feel like sleeping is a waste of time and I wish we could just sleep, you know, for 3 to 4 hours at night only. Anyway, enough about my personal life. So let me tell you about the Spot Patch. I like to call it pimple patch actually, and I have seen this on, I think, on some international YouTubers channel years ago when I was really small and when I was searching for acne related videos. They used to show something like this, like a pimple patch. You apply it onto your skin and then leave it overnight and then your pimple just disappears the next day. And yeah, I remember at that time I searched in India if it's available, but it was not. So yeah, I'm really glad that Nykaa has introduced us to this. I think it's really cool. When I got the notification that this has just launched, I literally dropped everything and I bought this with the speed of light. I was like, woo, 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 order now. I was really excited, didn't even read much, but when it came, it's like really tiny, you know. So the dogs are barking like crazy. You know how they get crazy at midnight? That's happening. Anyway, this pimple patch was launched I think 2 weeks ago and I couldn't make this video earlier because I didn't get any active pimple as such. I did have a few scarring over here but no like active pimple or acne as such, so I was waiting to get a pimple, which is so strange and weird. But yeah, once I got one pimple over here, I was very excited to test this out. So let me show you the packaging. So it's a very tiny little packet and this retails for 100 rupees for 12 patches. And the cool thing about this is they have different sizes. It goes from the smallest size to bigger sizes for bigger pimples, and I didn't know this when I was applying. I just took out the biggest one without checking. So basically these patches have two active ingredients in it, tea tree oil and salicylic acid. You know, both are great for acne prone skin. Tea tree oil is good for clearing your pimples, salicylic acid is for reducing your pimple. I like how it has different sizes, so depending upon the size of the pimple you can choose one of this. So I finally got one pimple over here which I'll show you the demo on, and I took this biggest size and applied it at night. So once you wash your face at night, you just have to take one patch, put it on and go to sleep. And honestly, the next morning I was not impressed at all. I could see the pimple just the way it was, basically without any difference. And then after I washed my face, I think the whitehead kind of came out, but nothing happened. The bump was still there. And then I decided to put one more pimple patch for the entire day, and that's when I saw the result after I removed it. After the whole day, I think, when I removed it, my pimple was literally gone. Like all of the bumpy part was all flat and I was only left with the scar. And you know, once you feel it later on, it's literally flat surface, so no bump, which is really cool. I was very impressed with this. And the cool thing about this is once you apply this, you can't even feel the bump, you can't even feel the pimple, which is so good, because otherwise, you know, when you generally get a pimple, you kind of feel itchy, you kind of try to pop it, but with this on, you can't do any of that. And because it's transparent, people can't even see it on your face. Apart from that, I also read that you can put makeup on this, which is such a cool thing. It will look flat and no one can even see your pimple. You can put makeup on it. I've not tried it, but I've read it. And these patches are actually very sticky, so once you're trying to take it off, it can be a little uncomfortable because it like just sticks on it for the entire day. Just go gently, don't do it like a band-aid, just take it out gently. Even with that, you'll feel your skin just pulling a little bit, but it's not too bad. So yeah, my first impression with this was not good, because if you leave it just overnight, it didn't work for me. But if you leave it for the entire night and one entire day, your pimple is literally gone. So I was impressed the next day, and I think this is such a good deal. You get 12 patches for just 100 rupees, and I think this is a very nice quick solution to have around. If you have a giant pimple and you have any special event in the next 2 days, this is really cool to have to get rid of your zit quickly. Yeah, this definitely did work for me, and I'm going to give it how much? I would actually give this 5 stars because this did work for me, so I hope it works for you too. If you get just a few pimples here and there, then this should work. If you have a lot of active acne, then I'm not sure this will work or not. But anyway, it's such a cool thing to have, very inexpensive as well. So yeah, this gets a huge thumbs up from my side. Okay, the next product that I want to talk about is this face mask by Nykaa called Clay It Cool. So as I was adding this to my cart, I saw this one. This is also newly launched, and it comes in a bunch of different variants for different skin concerns. And I got this blue one, which is called, what is it called? Anti-Acne Clay Mask. It says it reduces and heals acne, repairs and restores skin, promotes clearer skin, all of the things that I need and like. And let me start by talking about the scent of this face mask. Okay, so this is what the outer packaging looks like. You get 100 grams of product for $5.99. It has a really cool and unique light blue color, but oh my god, the scent of this one is so strong and not pleasant at all. As soon as I smell this, I think of, you know how bathrooms smell after you freshly clean them? This smells like freshly cleaned bathrooms, and I know it sounds bad. It has such a strong fragrance of a floor cleaner. This also reminds me of like detergent smell or rinse sabun, you know, the one you clean your clothes with. Definitely something cleaning your clothes, cleaning your bathroom, something related to cleaning. And I wouldn't mind it if this product works. But if you don't like super fragrant scents in your face mask and stuff, then you know, you can skip this one. So anyway, this has really cool light blue color, and I applied this one day when I was feeling super dull. You're supposed to keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes like any standard face mask. I did not feel like this got super dry on my skin or anything. It was not uncomfortable, but once I washed it off with lukewarm water, you have to kind of, you know, scrub it so that it will exfoliate as you remove it. And the after result was good. I definitely feel like it removed all of the impurities from my face, and I also feel like it made my skin brighter, removed all of the dullness. Didn't really notice much about acne, if it, you know, prevents acne or reduces blemishes or anything like that. But yeah, I liked it. I think I like face masks just for the experience. It's like a pamper time for yourself, you know. And I feel like they do a good job of just brightening your skin and just adding some life back to your face, which I like. So yeah, I would give this product a 4 stars, even though it smells like freshly cleaned bathrooms, but I like what it did. I like the color, really cool, will last me long. I will keep on using this more and I'll keep you updated. Now I can hear the rat kidas buzzing. But anyway, that completes this video. It was a really quick video about some newly launched acne related products. Basically any skin type tends to get a pimple every now and then, so this is such a cool thing to have. This one is just fine, works for me, but I won't recommend to go out of your way to purchase it. Anyway guys, that completes this video. It is so late now and I hope that you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to leave me a nice comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. Bye, good night.